blessing. I've gone down to old rock bottom. Now I know the love in my heart is true.
Hello together from Pechatin Village Mall, where we have today the first Happy Cat Valentine's show ever. So today we have like 150 cat lovers here. Over there is the show. And we are from Happy Cat, we are the main sponsor. We have our own booth here, like introducing our products to the people. So that's really a lot of fun and really crowded. That's good. Let's come, I'll show you around today. So Happy Cat is cat food from Germany. And today for the event we brought all our varieties. So for kittens, for adults with different flavors like lamb or even salmon. So just have a look in our stand, you can see all the varieties. Have a look.
Divine blessing. I wish I would have heard your lesson.
So here we have all our products for the cats. Junior for kitten, Atlantic salmon for hair and skin, lamb for the Panchanaan, and beef also for the big cats. Everything there. Okay, here we have the face painting area. So for all the kids around here, they can go and have face painting or also on the arms. So maybe you can have a look what's going on over here.
So this is for you, my love.
That's cool, huh? Very nice. Okay, over there we also have a cat exhibition. So if you come with me, I will show you. Here we have a Bengal cat, which is originally from California in America. All right. And here a very exotic Swings cat.
We will never have a change of mind. We belong together. We will never be the very kind. We sing our sorrows.
And this one is a British Shorthair cat. Maybe eating too much Happy Cat. Now sleepy already. Okay. So that's the cat exhibition here. I think now maybe we can have a look around and see what all the participants are doing. All right, let's have a look. So here we have all the cats who are participating today. And that's our jury. So that's our first Happy Cat Valentine show today. So we set up the event together with our friends from Candy Cat House to organize an event where all cat lovers from Jakarta and Indonesia can participate. That's why it's called also a fun cat show. For the first time it's actually really good because we have 150 participants, which means that we are full house. Yeah?